All right, parents. So I want you to go ahead and take out the bundle that's called or labeled 2020 bundle. This is for all the new students. So we're going to be looking at our first calendar, the first page, and it says pages 1 and 2. So that's what we're going to be working on today. And then tomorrow we'll continue working on 3 and 4. So let's go ahead and go to the next page, and it should look like this. So we're going to count how many apples, and we're going to put it in the box. But let's go ahead and review our numbers first. So everybody go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, awesome counting numbers. So for the first box, how many apples do we have? Can you count the apples? Great job. Yes, so we have 1 apple. So in this box, you are going to write number 1. And you are going to do the same thing for the rest of the boxes. Let's go ahead and go over to page 2. Page 2 is the same thing. We are going to count and then write the number in the spaces provided. So how many ladybugs do you see in the first box? Let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome counting to 6. So go ahead and write the number in the box. When you are done, take a picture and submit it to your teacher for a grade. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are more than willing and happy to help. Once again, thank you, parents, for being supportive and patient. Good luck.